Good morning everyone. Basa na tayo ng kapalaran ni Rapline Pag-vlogs. December 5, 2021. Mercury conjunct Mercury. Basa na. Kawa ko Sagittarius. The mind is clear, active, and receptive to all stimuli around you now. Are there any important matters in relationships or business that need discussing? Now is the time to do so, when the mind can assimilate data and also be very clear about what is going on. You might also notice a lot more communications going on during this time. Day-to-day activities may not amount to much. That is an excellent transit for intellectual pursuits, studying, or research. If you enjoy writing, you may come up with some original new ideas or convey these ideas to others in lectures. Diets can be changed as well during this transit, or some research with into foods and food groups and their interaction on the body can bring some fresh enlightenment. There will be a lot of short distance travel dealing with the mundane affairs of life for the next few days. Hindi nga makatravel kasi nga mayroon tayong COVID-19. December 6. Ay nawa sa December nga pala is okay na siya, no? Kasi June pa lang naman tayo ngayon eh. Pero yung binabasa natin kapalaran is pang December na. So nawa nga sa December wala na, Father God, COVID, para makauwi na, makabakasyon na tayo. December 6, hanggang December 6 lang tayo. Mahaba oh. December 6, 2021, Uranus trine Jupiter. Unexpected opportunities for long-distance travel should be open to you now that can allow an education as well as a vacation at the same time. Pag-pray natin yan, makabakasyon tayo. This is powerfully magnetic transit drawing luck and good fortune to you and your interest. Now will most probably include metaphysical and new age and scientific subjects. Life experiences now will be like none before at this time, so learn to expect the strange, the unusual, the unexpected, the extraordinary, and above all, extreme emotional experiences. Consider that you can either naputol siya o CA lang nakalagay. Consider that you can either be a success or a failure now, and your intuitive insights will be very accurate. In dealing with others, use the philosophy of mercy and justice and you won't go wrong. O kapag makipag-deal ka sa ibang tao, use mo raw yung philosophy ng mercy and justice para hindi ka magkamali. Ulitin natin. In dealing with others, use the philosophy of mercy and justice and you won't go wrong. So, ano po yung philosophy ng mercy at justice? Tanong lang po. New meanings can be derived from life with a transit and an opportunity for traveling and studying someplace completely new and foreign to you can arrive. This will prove to be a very fortune. Ano ba yan? Ulitin. Fortunate to siya. This will prove to be a very fortunate and harmonious time filled with creativity and social opportunities as well. Financial gain and luck. Luck that cannot be explained can come from out of the blue as well now. So, nawa nga. Marami tayong swerte dyan. Prophetic insights can prove to be accurate now, and an interest in parapsychology. Ano yung parapsychology na yun? Or astrology can occur. Expect new interesting and perhaps weird and unusual prince to enter your life. Nakalagay guys, so expect new interesting and perhaps weird and unusual prince to enter your life. Word talaga. Benefits will come to you from friends, business, ventures, and insurance matters. Tama na muna yan. 5 and 6 lang ng December basahin natin. Bye everyone. God bless.